Today we will discuss present perfect tense and how to make negative and interrogative sentences for present perfect tense. The present perfect tense describes actions that occurred at an unspecified time in the past and relevant to the present or have effects on the present. It is formed using the auxiliary verb have or has and the past participle of the main verb. Look at the structure of the present perfect tense. Subject plus have or has plus past participle plus object. For example, she has finished her homework. How to make negative sentences? To make a negative sentence in the present perfect tense, you will add not after the auxiliary verb have or has. Structure subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle plus object. Examples of present perfect tense in negative sentences. She has not finished her homework. They have not seen that movie. I have not eaten breakfast. He has not called me today. We have not visited the museum. Contractions have not can be contracted to haven't and has not can be contracted to hasn't. Examples with contractions. She hasn't finished her homework. They haven't seen that movie. I haven't eaten breakfast. He hasn't called me today. We haven't visited the museum. Interrogative sentences. To form interrogative sentences in the present perfect tense, you will invert the subject and auxiliary verb have or has. Structure of interrogative sentences. Have or has plus subject plus past participle plus object. Examples of interrogative sentences. Has she finished her homework? Have they seen that movie? Have you eaten breakfast? Has he called you today? Have we visited the museum? Negative interrogative sentences. To make negative interrogative sentences, we will add not after the subject or use contraction haven't or hasn't before the subject. Structure of negative interrogative sentences. Have or has plus subject plus not plus past participle plus object, or haven't or hasn't plus subject plus past participle plus object. Examples: has she not finished her homework? Have they not seen that movie? Have you not eaten breakfast? Has he not called you today? Have we not visited the museum? Examples with contractions. Hasn't she finished her homework? Haven't they seen that movie? Haven't you eaten breakfast? Hasn't he called you today? Haven't we visited the museum? Summary of this lecture. Negative present perfect. Subject plus have has plus not plus past participle. For example, she has not finished her homework. Interrogative present perfect. Have or has plus subject plus past participle. Has she finished her homework? Negative interrogative present perfect. Structure have or has plus subject plus not plus past participle. Has she not finished her homework or hasn't she finished her homework? By understanding these structures, you can form negative and interrogative sentences in the present perfect tense confidently. Thank you for watching this video.